Clear Brow, North Dallas, 2024 Z06 full wrap with the Expel paint protection film, full window film with the XR Plus, 70 in the front, 30% on the sides and on the little back window, not the motor bay. Let's take a walk around the wrap for the paint protection film, show you what it is that we do here, Clear Brow, North Dallas. So starting here with our emblem. Emblem comes off. This gentleman bought new ones, the all black ones. We just lift them off with a device, and then the PPF goes on and the badge goes over the top of that, just as if it was painted with clear coat. We don't want any lines or anything. Coming into the bumper and the hood, all these edges get wrapped. We don't leave any relief cuts like a majority do. Everything gets wrapped in. This whole hood is 100% wrapped. All the corners, the edges, fenders, all the edges and corners, underneath the headlight. There's no line out here. Everything runs in nicely up top, fully wrapped in. Coming around inside these lights, we continue that all the way inside here, all in one. All in one, all wrapped in here, all the way wrapped underneath, all the way down. Everything's fully wrapped in. Doors, there's no line for the mirrors. It's all one piece. We don't leave any line outside here. Everything's underneath this molding for the door. Coming into our first roof section, this little blue piece is fully wrapped in. There isn't one line outside of this piece. It's fully wrapped on all four sides. A-pillars fully wrapped. This rooftop that comes off, all done in one piece. No lines, no seams, all one piece, fully wrapped all the way around, all one. This whole deck lid back here is one solid piece. No lines in the center for seams, fully wrapped. New emblem there. And then coming into the bumper, new emblems here. We don't want any lines, so everything's fully stuck over the PPF. So we have the new appearance as if it was painted. So, and all the paint protection is on every piece of this car. All this stuff, everything's done. These little B pillars, these under the A pillar applique, full mirrors, all this trim. Z06 badges came off, new ones went on, full rockers, everything's wrapped in, no lines anywhere, except for fuzz. And then coming up much more the same here. These are fully done. Getting a little piece of fuzz here. And that's it. Everything's looking good. Bumper 100%, fully wrapped around here, all the way to this side. All these black pieces are done, carbon fiber's done. So there it is. There's a completed Z06, another one. If you guys have a Z06, you have questions, let us know. 214-414-3809, Clear Brow, North Dallas. Or you can email us, clearbrownorthdallas@gmail. Website, clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. Or at www.clearbrownorthdallas.com. Geez. Too many goddamn addresses. So there you have it. This guy's gonna take this home in a few minutes, and that's it. Any questions, look forward to it. Please follow us, like us. Love showing you the work. I'm gonna start doing some videos here shortly where I actually show the installs. I never wanted to do that, but I'm coming up here close to cutting it back and retiring. So yeah, so that's time I can start showing. I'm not worried about who takes my ideas. So there you go. Take care, and thanks for watching, guys.